In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grammarly Premium, an invaluable tool for enhancing your writing, now featuring some mind-blowing AI capabilities. Let's dive in and explore just how easy it is to harness these features to improve your writing effortlessly. To get started, you'll want to head over to Grammarly's website. Once you're there, if you're new to Grammarly, you'll need to sign up. But for this guide, let's assume you already have an account. Look for the I have an account button and give it a click. This will prompt you for your sign-in credentials. Go ahead and enter your email in the designated field, then click on the Continue button to access your account. Once you've successfully entered the Grammarly homepage, you're all set to explore its rich set of features, especially the new AI enhancements. But first, let's open up a new or existing Google document where you plan to do some writing. After you have your document open, you'll notice a Grammarly icon. Click that to activate Grammarly within Google Docs. Now that Grammarly is active in your document, you'll start seeing automatic suggestions to enhance your grammar, punctuation, and style throughout your text. This part is intuitive. Simply click on the suggestions and you'll be presented with options to approve or ignore them, all designed to improve your writing in real time. But that's not all. Grammarly Premium also includes a plagiarism checker, an essential tool if you're ensuring your work's originality. Simply use it to scan through your document, and it will instantly alert you to any passages that may need citation or rephrasing. Now here's where it gets really exciting. Grammarly's new AI features can provide tailored writing assistance that goes beyond simple corrections. When you select the Grammarly AI option, it will offer suggestions for rewriting specific sentences for clarity or impact. This is particularly beneficial when you're looking to refine a draft or experiment with different ways to express an idea. Moreover, these AI tools can generate content ideas for you, significantly aiding in brainstorming sessions. If you're stuck on how to start a document or getting bogged down by writer's block, let Grammarly's AI inspire you with creative and relevant suggestions. In summary, using Grammarly Premium with its new AI features transforms the way you write. From enhancing your grammar to offering